Good morning, everybody. From a rainy Duluth this morning, we have the American Mariner coming in to unload stone, and then it'll be doing its rare couple times a year where it loads wheat to bring up to Buffalo, New York. Hope you guys enjoy. Giving them a little wave. Two spotlights, helping her move through the canal here. Morning! Alrighty guys, well there goes the American Mariner with a nice early morning salute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was already up, so I figured I might as well come see this one. It does appear I was the only one here, so hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys soon.